Code Llama, the open-source AI coding assistant introduction. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring Code Llama, Meta's powerful open-source AI model designed specifically for software development. Built on the Llama family of large language models, Code Llama helps developers write code faster, debug errors, explain complex programs, and improve productivity. Whether you're a beginner learning programming or an experienced software engineer building large applications, Code Llama provides intelligent coding assistance across multiple programming languages. Thanks to its open-source nature, developers can run it locally, customize it for their own projects, and integrate it into different development environments. Let's take a closer look at its key features. Main features 1. Advanced code generation code. Llama can generate high-quality code from simple natural language prompts, describe what you want, and it produces clean, readable code in seconds. 2. Multi-language support. It supports many popular programming languages, including Python, Java, C++, C#, JavaScript, TypeScript, PHP, Go, Rust, and SQL, making it suitable for a wide range of software projects. 3. Code completion. As you type, Code Llama predicts and completes code intelligently, helping developers write programs faster while reducing repetitive work. 4. Debugging and error detection. It can identify coding mistakes, explain why errors occur, and suggest improvements or corrected versions of the code. 5. Code explanation. Developers can paste existing code and ask Code Llama to explain how it works, making it an excellent learning tool for students and professionals alike. 6. Open-source flexibility. Unlike many proprietary AI coding assistants, Code Llama is open-source. Organizations can self-host the model, fine-tune it, and customize it for their own coding standards and workflows. 7. Large context. Window Code Llama can understand larger code bases than traditional coding assistants, making it useful for analyzing multiple files and maintaining project consistency. Upcoming features. As AI technology continues to evolve, future versions of Code Llama are expected to include improved reasoning for solving complex programming problems, better understanding of large enterprise code bases, enhanced debugging with step-by-step explanations, more accurate code generation for advanced software architecture, stronger support for AI agents capable of completing multi-step development tasks, better integration with popular IDEs such as Visual Studio Code and JetBrains products, faster performance with reduced hardware requirements, improved support for cloud-native applications, DevOps automation, and cybersecurity development. These improvements will make Code Llama even more valuable for developers, businesses, and AI-powered software engineering. Conclusion. Code Llama represents a major step forward in open-source AI for programming. With powerful code generation, debugging, explanation, and multi-language support, it enables developers to build software more efficiently while maintaining flexibility and control. As Meta continues to improve the model, Code Llama is expected to become an even stronger competitor in the AI coding assistant landscape. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more AI technology updates. See you in the next video.